Hello, Ginza.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Any doubts on the last classes?
No, sir.
All right. All revised?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's wait 2 more minutes for other students to come. All right. Then we'll start the class.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Aman.
Hello, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir. Everything's fine.
All right. Any doubts from the last class?
No, sir.
All right.
But
So,
I'm not getting any assignments still.
I'm not getting any assignments. Have you logged into the website
Yes, sir, I have.
and there is no assignment there?
No, sir.
Did you try the app?
No, I did not try the app.
Try the app once. But I'll talk to the
Okay,
team
sir.
also. I'll tell them. Kinza,
Okay,
you are
sir.
getting the assignments, right?
Sorry, sir.
You are getting the assignments, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll talk to the team. All right, Emma. Don't worry. So in the last class, we did few more properties of inverse trigonometric functions. But few different types of questions are left in this chapter, like 3 or 4. After that, we'll start continuity and differentiability. So please try to solve this question. 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 upon 3 equals to 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. You have to prove this. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. I'll give you a hint. Try to take 9 by 4 common from the left hand side. Start with LHS. Write down the equation. Take 9 by 4 common. See what happens. Anyone solve this? Aman, Kinza,
No, sir, not yet.
Solving,
Solve.
sir.
solve it. I'll give it 2 more minutes. All right. See, inverse trigonometric questions are very simple if you just use the right method at the right time. So if I take 9 by 4 common here, what will I get in the brackets?
So
Pi sine
I by
inverse.
1 by 1.
pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3.
All right. And what is pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 3?
I know sine inverse plus sine inverse a plus cos inverse a is equal to pi by 2.
Absolutely right. So pi by 2 minus sine inverse a, I can write cos inverse a. Yes or no?
Yes.
Kinza?
Yes.
Now on the right hand side, we have 9 by 4, but we have sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3, but here we have cos inverse 1 upon 3. So can we convert cos inverse into sine inverse by making a right angle triangle? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. If I take cos inverse 1 by 3 is theta, so we can write cos theta is 1 by 3. So please try to find what is the value of sine theta, then theta will get the same value. All right, 2 more minutes. Solve this question. Aman, this is clear, right?
Yes, sir, clear.
All right, solve this. Everyone solve this?
Yes, sir.
All right, Kinza.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you got the answer, right? LHS equals to RHS. No issues.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hello, Sahel.
Hi, sir. How you doing?
I'm good. You're back. You're not audible, Sahel.
Can you hear me, sir, now?
Yes. You're back home.
Yeah, I'm back home. Just came last night.
All right. All right. So we almost finished Investigo functions.
Okay,
Alright.
sir.
So get the lecture videos if you want from the team. All right.
Sure, sir.
All right. No worries. In the next chapter, we are going to start continuity and differentiability. All right. After
All right,
after
sir.
a few minutes. Yeah. No worries for that.
Okay, sir.
Next question
Okay.
on this. Prove that 2 sine inverse x equals to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Very important. Very important to know this because we are going to use this in many questions. So how to prove this type of questions? Always look at the right side. What function they have talked about? They have talked about sine inverse. So assume sine inverse x equals to theta. Or you can look at the right side. Assume sine inverse x equals to sine theta. Right. Now you have to use the formula of the function written on the right side. Which formula? Here. 2 sine inverse x, that means you have to use sine 2 theta. This thing is clear what I'm saying? We looked at the right side where the function of sine inverse. So we have to use the formula of sine. Which formula of sine? We have 2 sine inverse x. That means this is related to 2 to sine 2 theta. Because theta is sine inverse x. So in the hidden way, we have written 2 sine inverse x. Right? Am I getting clear or not?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So what is the formula of sine 2 theta?
2 sine theta cos theta.
2 sine theta cos theta. So from here we can write sine theta is x. So this is 2 into x. And cos theta we can write under root 1 minus sine square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have sine 2 theta equals to 2x under root 1 minus x square. We can see that this is forming here. Now just take sine to that side. So 2 theta equals to sine inverse 2x 1 minus x square. All right. This
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. So theta we can substitute 2 sine inverse x. We get the proof. Very simple. Assume left hand side as theta. Use the formula for the right hand side. We'll get the answer. All the questions. All right, Aman, this is clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Note it down, please. Sahel, you too, please note it down.
Yes, sir.
Done?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
All right. Last question of this topic. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. What is the answer here? All right. Solve this question. Very easy question. Kinza, Aman.
1 minute, sir.
All right.
Sir, it's cot pi by 2.
And what is the value of cot pi by 2?
Uh,
0.
0. Right. That is the answer. We can directly write tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 is 0. All right. So
yes, sir.
this is all for investigo functions. I hope this is all clear. Solve the NCERT exemplar, all the assignments. All right. And you will be absolutely fine. So now continuity and differentiability. And in the next class, there will be a test of investigo function, half an hour test. All right. So please revise accordingly. In continuity and differentiability, this is divided into 3 parts generally. First is continuity, second is differentiability, third one is differentiation. So we are going to start with differentiation. This is the biggest topic in this. And this we have also done in class 11. So I hope you know a little bit about this, right? So let me ask, what is the differentiation of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. What is the differentiation of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x?
So secant minus tan.
No. Kinza?
Sec square x.
Absolutely. And differentiation of sec x? These formulas we have to know, otherwise this whole chapter is meaningless.
Sec x tan x.
Absolutely. Differentiation of e raised to the power x.
It's e raised to the power x.
Absolutely right. Differentiation of a raised to the power x. A is any constant.
X a raised to x minus 1.
No. That is different formula. Here we have constant to the power variable. Formula you are saying is variable to the power constant, right? X cube, x raised to the power 4, and so on. Here we have 4 raised to the power x. So here differentiation is a raised to the power x log a. All right, same, but multiplied with log a. In this case also, we can write log e, but we know log a is 1. All right. So let's differentiate log x. What is the differentiation of log x? This is 1 upon x. Now differentiation of x raised to the power n. All right, x raised to the power n, variable to the power any number. This is the formula n x raised to the power n minus 1. All right, Kinza,
Yes, sir.
please note down this formula. If you don't know this, do you want to note this down, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, and write cot also. Cot is minus cosec square x, and differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. These are all. Sahil, this is clear? Very important formulas.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
All right, note it down.
So the differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, right?
Yes. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So let me give you a simple question and see if you guys remember this or not. Differentiate x plus sine x. Very simple question.
So 1 plus cos x.
Absolutely right. Everyone clear? Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of sine x is cos x. Right? Sahil, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there was something called product rule.
Yes, sir.
So if you have two functions in multiplication and we have to differentiate that, then what did we do? Function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is product rule. If anyone doesn't know this, just write it down and solve this question. X into sine x. You have to differentiate this. I'll give you 1 minute for this. Not very difficult question. Tell me the answer.
Sin x plus x cos x.
Absolutely right. So how we can do this? X into differentiation of sine x plus sine x into differentiation of x. X cos x plus sine x. Everybody clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Sahel?
Yes, sir. Got it.
All right. Now this was product rule. Now something is called quotient rule.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Finsa, do you know the formula for this?
Yes, sir. U dash v plus uv dash by v square.
Absolutely right. So u dash v minus uv dash upon v square. If you have two functions in division, then the denominator times differentiation of numerator minus reverse divided by v square, square of denominator. To solve this question, x upon sine x, you have to differentiate this. All right, I'll give you 1 minute for this also. All right, Finsa, that is correct answer. Everyone Solve this.
Yes, sir.
All right, Sahel.
Yes, I found it.
Right, so this is sin x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation x is cos x of sin square x. This is the answer. So this was all you have been studied in class 11. Now what is in class 12? First write down differentiation of a function of a function. What does a function of a function means? Composite function. All right. If anybody doesn't know what that is, suppose Eman invents a mixer which, if you put apples, gives out apple juice. And Sahel invents a mixer which, if you put apple juice, gives out apple powder. This is a different function. This is a different function. So what Kinza thought, use this to create something new. She connected this output with this input. So now if you put apples, you will directly get apple powder. This is called composite function. Very simple. All right. So how to differentiate this type of functions? For an example, we know how to differentiate sin x, right? Everybody knows this.
Yes, sir.
But if I give you y equals to sine of x square, and remember this x is not multiplied with sine. This is the soul, this is the body, right? Soul is inside the body. We cannot separate them. So here x square is not multiplied with sine. This is the soul and this is the body. But we know the differentiation of sine x, we know the differentiation of x square, but we do not know how to differentiate this. So how we do that? Imagine everyone has like watched Conjuring movie. You know,
No, sir.
No, sir.
any horror movies you have watched in life?
Nope. Never, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Aman, you don't watch movies.
I, I don't like horror movies
What movies
specifically.
you like?
So anything else like action, crime,
You-
mystery.
You watched Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness.
Yes, sir, I did.
In the last scene, not last scene, Wanda, where she moves into another universe and captures her,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Imagine this like this. And who has watched any horror movies? This is the body, right? The actress, and this is the soul, bad soul, right? Atma. This has captured this body. So what we have to do, any like father or tantric comes and what he does, he wants to separate this. So what we do, differentiate sin x square with respect to s. This is our goal. So what we do, first we try to separate the soul, the bad soul, out of the body. Then we capture that soul in a glass bottle. Relatable? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is what called chain rule. And this is very, very, very important for the whole chapter. Because you will never see sin x cos x, you will see sin x square cos x square, sine of sin x, and everything else. So what we do, if the soul is possessed by another soul, then we first differentiate with respect to that soul, then that soul is differentiated with respect to x. All right. Now, if anybody has confusion, you can assume x square is t. So this question becomes, or answer becomes d sine t upon dt and dx square upon dx. Now, what is the differentiation of sine t with respect to t? What
So
is the differentiation?
cos cos t.
cos t, very simple, into differentiation of x square with respect to x,
2x.
2x. Now put the value back. This is cos of x square into 2x. All right. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So differentiation of sine of x square, we get cos of x square. Again, this is not in multiplication if anybody is confused. This is cos of x square. This is body. This is soul. So that soul is out of the body for just another body, and times 2x. The double is double. Not like can think like that. So note it down. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right, note it down, please.
Done, sir.
All right, solve this question then. Y equals to tan of x cube. You have to find dy by dx. 2 minutes for this. And please do this stepwise. All right, don't try to rush with this. First few questions at least do with the steps, then we can skip the step. Kinza, wrong answer. Told you, do stepwise. All right. See, which is the body here, Kinza? And who is the
Tan
possessed soul? Tan x, right? Tan x the body, and which is the possessed soul?
x cube.
X cube. So what we do? You are the tantric. You came to the house. You first remove the soul, then you put that in a bottle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can assume x cube is t, then tan t upon dt. You can write the differentiation. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
All right. So, all right, Sahel, you have solved this.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is my WhatsApp number, Sahel. You can ask me any doubts if you have. My name is Akash. Solve this. Ayman, have you solved this?
Yes, sir, I have.
What is the answer?
So 6 square x cubed into 3x cubed. 3x squared.
Right. All right. Kinza, you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm telling you again, take this step by step. After that, we'll skip the steps. Don't worry. But first few questions we'll do with the steps. Sahel, this is clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. Next question, y equals to c log x. All right, secant of log x. Try to solve this. I'll give you a few minutes. Sahel, you wrote down the number, right?
I took a screenshot, sir.
All right.
Sir, can you show your number? I cannot.
All right.
Done, sir. Thank you.
So in this, we can do it directly, or should we bring the log down on the left side?
Direct different these steps you have to follow,
Okay, sir. Got it.
and there is no point of taking log in here, right, Sahel?
Yes, sir.
Because again, this is not multiplied. This is the soul, and this is the body. Right? That example was not for a joke. That is a very serious example. You cannot, because I've seen many times students think this is multiplied. This is not multiplied. Your soul is not multiplied with your body, right? This is clear, Sahel?
Right, sir. Clear.
So take that example very seriously. All right. Always think what is the body, what is the soul, then differentiate. After that, after few questions or after this chapter, you'll have the intuition, and you don't have to think about the example. But now, please do. solved it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I send it to you on WhatsApp. Can you check if it is correct?
No, this is wrong. And you don't have to send all the answers to my WhatsApp, right? Well, we can discuss all the answers here. If you have doubt at home, then you can send me. All right, Sahel?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because if everyone sent me answers on WhatsApp during that, then my whole gallery will be
No,
filled
like
with.
for chemistry, sir was like after solving, send it on WhatsApp. They can send it. So I thought maybe.
No, here I trust you. If you say that you have solved this, then I'll trust you. If you say you don't, then I will not judge you. All right, we are here to learn. All right,
Okay, sir. No problem.
no worries. Yeah, Kinza, you have solved this.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
Sec x tan x by x.
Everyone did that the same mistake. Aman,
So I got sec x tan x into 1 by x.
yes, everybody is wrong. How is everybody wrong? Which is the body? Which is the project soul here?
So sec is the body, log x is the soul.
Absolutely right. So let's. How many followed the steps? Tell me honestly.
I did,
Aman,
sir.
did you follow? You did.
Yes,
All
sir, I
right.
did.
Kinza,
No, sir.
no. All right. Sahel, did you follow the steps?
I guess I didn't.
You did
Because
not.
if
All
you
right.
had,
So
maybe I would have got the right answer.
I'm telling you again and again. All right, guys. First few questions at least do with the steps. Then you will leave the steps. Like it's like meditation. When you do meditation, you want to reach the higher level. When once you reach, you leave meditation. You don't get all the life. Same here. Differentiation of sec of log x. What is the first step? Differentiate with respect to the soul. Right? What is the soul here? What is the soul
Log
here?
x.
Log x into differentiation of soul with respect to x. This is clear, Kinza, Sahel.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Aman, did you take log x equals to t? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I
Then
didn't.
how? Why?
Sir, one second, I didn't get it. Wait. Sir, in the denominator, why are you putting d by like d log x? Different. Like we are
Okay.
differentiating in terms of d log x. I didn't get it.
Okay. Yeah, this is the steps I'm telling you from the previous questions also. If like, do you watch horror movies? Let me go through that again. Sahel, Conjuring. Have you watched?
Yeah, I have a long time ago.
So this is the actress. Take any example, right? Which was that movie? Famous movie. Raz, Bipasha
No.
Basu. This is no. Oh, you
No.
are new generation. I don't know new horror movies. I don't like. All right, you can tell me the name. This is the actress. Mostly the soul possesses the actresses. So this is the actress. This is the bad soul.
Okay.
So first
Then
step is to differentiate. Or you are the tantric who
I
came to
can't
the
hear you.
house. Hello, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear. So is it just me?
Yes, it is just you. Let me text you on WhatsApp because I have your number now. All right, rest of you, please try to solve this again. So now differentiation of log x upon dx, right? Assume t, then differentiate sec t, then put the value back. All right, Kinza, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Sahel, am I audible now? Sahel, am I audible now?
Yeah, sir.
All right. So the first step is to differentiate or remove the soul. So always differentiate with respect to the soul, then differentiate the soul with respect to x. All right. Then assume the soul as t. You can differentiate t, then differentiate log x. All right.
Got it, sir.
If you just follow 3 steps, every question will be correct.
Like in NCRT, there is like differentiate in terms of d by in terms of dt. You can directly put t, right, instead of putting d log x, like dt. Can you put directly?
Which step do you want to skip? Like
The first step, and directly put dt. Like as we can directly say that log x equals t, then we can put it directly there.
no, I don't think NCRT will do that. Let's check NCRT what they have done.
Like I'll show you later on. I'll talk about it later.
All right. How do if you directly put, then this question becomes sec t, right? Then this will be very long. Or you are saying like dt, then differentiate t. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Like that.
Well, same thing, right? Absolutely same thing. This they are writing this step, but I'm telling you write this step also because this does not end here. There is always a conjuring 2, right, Sahel?
Got it, sir.
So this question will become tougher. So please follow this method. Remember the example, because in the future when I'm going to give you more difficult questions, that example will be relatable, right?
Okay, I'll note it down now.
All right. You've got the answer, Kinza, Aman.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
got it.
So what is the answer?
So sec x tan x log x into 1 by x.
How are you getting sec x tan x? What is the differentiation of sec t? Sec t into tan t, right?
Okay, sir.
You again did not substitute the value t.
I didn't understand how to differentiate this active properly.
See, differentiation of sec x with respect to x, it's same as differentiation of sec t with respect to t. The same as sec m with respect to m, right? It doesn't matter if you change the variable x, right?
Okay, sir.
So sec t tan t into differential of log x is 1 upon x. Now put the value of t as log x. So sec of log x into tan of log x into 1 upon x. This thing is clear, Kinza?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sahel, this is clear?
Clear, sir.
All right. Next question. Y equals to e to the power cosec x. Try to solve this one. Please do this stepwise. I need the correct answer. I don't need you to be very fast. I don't need the answer in 2 seconds. Take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but need the correct answer. All right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, here cosec x is a power on e, right? Shouldn't we bring it down?
No, you can solve this using log also, but now we are
Yeah, log.
learning chain rule, right?
Okay.
So like think about which is the body, which is the soul, and do this method. All right.
So e will be the body and cosec will be the soul, right?
Absolutely right.
So
Yes,
excuse me,
Sahil?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
so I have got like differentiation of e raised to t divided by dt into minus cosec x cot x. After that, any other step we have to do?
Yes, differentiate e raised to the power t also, right?
So like we have to put the value of e. I mean, value
No,
of
no.
t, value of t.
First differentiate this. What is the differentiation of e raised to the power t with respect to t?
That will be so. We don't have to use log here. It will.
No. Directly e raised to the power x. Differentiation of e raised to the power x is
Okay, yeah. Ex log e, right?
yes, and log is 1. So e raised to the power t. All right.
Okay. So no, because in the formula it is e is to x log e.
Yes, but log e is 1. I told you when writing the formula also, log e
Okay,
base e is 1. All right. So we don't write that.
okay, got it. Then okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Kinza, Aman, you have solved this?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
I got it as e raised to the power cosec x into minus cosec x cot x.
Aman,
So I can't solve this.
you can't solve this. All right. This is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Let's see. Aman is the body, which is the soul.
So E is the body, cosec x is the soul.
Right. So we don't say e raised to the power x, right? Instead of cos x, we wanted x, but here another soul is there. So e raised to the power x is the body, and this is the soul. So what we have to do? First step, please tell me.
Ex
Ex or e
e
raised
to the
power cos
power of x
x or cosec x.
cosec x by cosec x with respect to cosec x.
And then
Then cosec x with respect to x.
all right. Now what is the step?
Turn write cosec x as t.
All right. So cosec x, we have assumed t. So this becomes d e raised to the power t upon dt into differentiation of cosec x is
Minus cosec x into cot x.
and now differentiation of e raised to the power t is
E raised to the power of t, the same.
now put the value of t. All right,
Okay, so
Sahel, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right, Kinza, you submitted the
Yes.
right answer. All right. So if you follow the steps, everything will be easy. If you don't, then it will be tough for me to explain. Write down the next question, log of cos x. Differentiate this.
Done, sir.
All right. What is the answer?
Minus tan x.
Minus tan x. Everyone got the answer?
so
Yes, sir.
What is your answer, Kinsa? Kinsa, what is your answer?
Minus tan x.
Minus tan x. Aman, what about you?
I got a completely different answer.
What is the answer?
Cos x by x into minus sin x.
Cos x by x.
That's it.
All right. Tell me what you did.
So this is same thing. I separated a log x.
No, this is not multiplication. This is not multiplication. All right, Aman.
I don't understand. So
See, we write log 3. So instead of 3, I have written cos x.
okay,
Right? Can you figure out which is the body, which is the soul here?
log is the body
Right?
and cos is the soul.
So what should I write here? Dy by dx is
Log
log of
Log
cos x
cos
with
x.
respect to
Cos x
into
d by cos x with respect to x.
Right. Now what is the next step?
So that becomes d by log t, differentiation of log t by
Right.
dt
Right. Into differentiation of cos x is
minus sin x.
minus sin x. So what is the differentiation of log x or log t?
1 by x.
1 by t, right? Here,
1 by
here
t.
1 by t into minus sin x. So just put the value of t again. So this is cos x
Cos
minus
x.
sin x upon cos x minus sin x. So where did you get cos x by x?
So I put the t in the numerator.
So that is wrong, right? I hope this is clear, right? No issues.
Yes, sir.
Now they want to increase the difficulty. So what they did, created conjuring 2. What happened there? Log of sine of cos x. What happened? This is a soul 1. This possessed the body of sine x. So this becomes sine of cos x. And they died. And they together possessed the body of log. So they became log of sine of cos x. We have 3 functions together. And again, they are not multiplied. So what we can do? Y equals to log of sine of cos x. Same formula, same method. This is differentiation of log of sine of cos x. First, we differentiate the soul. So which soul possessed log? Sine of cos x. So differentiate with respect to sine of cos x. Is this step clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now into what will happen? Who can tell me? What will happen here?
Differentiation of sine cos x. Cos
All
x.
right. With respect to
D by dx.
again, this is a possessed soul. This is conjuring 1.
D by no by cos x. Cos x.
D cos x. We don't say
Yeah.
D by cos. D
Yeah,
cos
yeah,
with respect
by
to
mistake. Yeah.
and now differentiation of cos x with
Yeah.
respect to x.
Yeah.
This step is clear or not? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now this is not the final step. We have to assume this is t, this is u. So this becomes d of log t with respect to d into d of sine u with respect to u into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. All right. This step is
Yes,
clear or
sir.
not? All right. Aman? Aman, did you faint it? Not here, I guess. Sahel, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please tell me the final answer, Wotan. All right. Kinza, Sahel, Aman, please tell me the final answer.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. One by sine of cos x into cos x into minus sin x.
Wait, 1 by sine of cos x into,
Into cos x.
think again, cos u, right? Cos u. So you have to replace the value of u.
Cos square u, you're right? Cos square u.
No, not again. See, if you write cos square u, I'm telling you that is not
No, cos square
multiplication.
x. No.
No, not cos square x. See, just write cos u. This is cos u into minus sin x. Any issues, anyone? Pinza?
No, sir.
Right? Differentiation of sin u upon du, like with respect to u, is cos u. Now, what is the value of u?
Cos x.
So this is cos of cos x.
Yes.
All right, Sahel, this is not cos square x. All right, this is not multiplied. Now you get the example. This is soul, this is body. Body is not multiplied with the soul, right?
Right, sir. Understood.
All right, I'm telling you again, this example seems very weird, but this is very true. Movie is based on this chain rule. All right, so we can write further. This is cos of cos x upon sine of cos x is cot of cos x into minus sin x. I hope this answer is clear. This is not multiplication again. This is the soul, this is the body. All right,
Yes, sir.
please note it down. Aman, you there? No, right. So I hope these three functions also clear. If they give you 3, 4, 5 functions, then even that is clear.
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
All right, so no matter what movie you see now during 5, 6, 7, I think you can solve this. So your homework would be exercise 5.2 NCRT and from question 1 to 8. All right,
Okay, sir.
now
Yes.
Aman is there. Aman,
Sorry,
this is
sir.
clear.
I went a bit. Yeah.
All right, so you saw this, right? This is very important.
Yes, sir.
All right, Sahel.
Yeah, sir.
All right, so homework is NCRT 5.2 1 to 8, and in the next class there will be a test also of inverse Tycho functions. Prepare accordingly. Sahel, you can get the lecture videos. All right,
Yeah, like lecture videos, is it there on YouTube or from the app?
no, from the team, please talk to the team. They will be sending you the videos. All right,
Okay. Okay, sir.
all right, and you will get the assignment also as usual. Aman, I'll talk to the team about your assignments. Don't worry.
Assignment
Alright.
where, sir? Assignment
Assignment in the website
on the
or in the
website.
app.
Okay.
Yeah, or in the app.
Okay.
You just
I
log
have
in. You
not.
get the.
Okay, I haven't registered yet. I guess I have to talk to my father.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
So this is all for today's class, guys. Take care. See you in the next class.
Thanks, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.